Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the Cronbach Alpha, a crucial statistics for reliability analysis in research. Whether you are a student, researcher, or just curious about the data reliability, this video is for you. So let's get started. So what is a Cronbach Alpha? It's a measure of internal consistency, which tells us how well a set of items in a questionnaire or a test are related to each other. In simple terms, it helps us determine whether a scale or test is reliable. Internal consistency ensures that all items means questions in a test measure the same concept. Like example, if you are designing a job satisfaction survey, all questions should be related to the job satisfaction. If such questions measure unrelated things, the reliability of the test is decreased. Let's understand about the formula which calculates the Cronbach alpha. In this formula, a k is the number of items, means a k is the number of questions which is included in your test. In this formula, sigma y square is refers to the variance associated with the items, means variance which is associated with the questions which is included in the test. In sigma x square refers to the variance associated with the observed total scores. Let's understand about what does your Cronbach alpha's value mean. If Cronbach alpha is greater than or is equal to 0.09, it's an excellent reliability of the questions related to each other. Cronbach alpha values between 0.8 to 0.9, it's a good reliability, and then if it is between 0.7 to 0.8, it's acceptable level. But if the Cronbach alpha level is below 0.7 up to 0.6, it's a questionable, and if it is below 0.6, it's a poor reliability. If you want to increase your Cronbach alpha value, means if you want to increase the reliability of your questions or items, so what you can do to improve your Cronbach alpha? Number one is add more items, means add more questions. More questions can enhance the reliability. Number two is remove weak items. Remove weak questions which are not related to the main research things. If any questions confuse the respondents, it will reduce the consistency level. Number four is run a pilot test. Testing your survey before full deployment helps in fine-tuned reliability. Let's learn about what is the limitations of this Cronbach alpha. Number one is it assumes that all items contribute equally, which is not always true. Number second, a high alpha doesn't guarantee a validity. Your test can be reliable but still measure the wrong things. Number three, it's affected by number of items, means longer tests tend to have artificially high alpha value. These three are the limitations of the Cronbach alpha. Let's start how to calculate the Cronbach alpha. We are taking an example of 5 items, means of 5 questions, and there are 10 respondents which we include in our Excel sheet. Now we are going to put a formula into this Excel sheet. We can see the values of Cronbach alpha and its interpretation. Let's calculate the Cronbach alpha. Here items is, there is 5 questions, so items is equal to 5. Now calculate the variance associated with the items, means let's find out the variance associated with all 5 questions. Let's calculate the variance associated with the first question. So is equal to variance, means V, calculate by V. Now double click on this var.p. Now double click on it, then drag from respondent 1 to 10, and you will enclose the bracket, then enter. You will get a variance associated with the items. Now we have already calculated this question 1. Drag this formula up to question 5 and you will get the variance associated with all 5 questions. We want a sum of variance associated with all items, so is equal to sum. Now select from the list, then double click on it, then select all 5 variance and close the bracket, then enter. Now we have 4.88 is a sum of variance associated with the items. Now calculate the variance associated with the observed total score. So for that we have to calculate the response of every respondents towards each questions and then make a sum of it. Sum, make a double click on it, then select a range and close the bracket and enter. Then drag this formula up to respondent 10. Now copy all this responses in another column and then we will calculate the variance associated with the total observed score. So for that make a is equal to sign, then write a V. So in the list we have var.p, double click on it, then then select a range from respondent 1 to respondent 10, then enclose the bracket, make a enter. We have a 20.44 is a variance associated with the observed total score. So we have all the 3 items related to the formula, and now calculate the Cronbach alpha. Is equal to, in the bracket, items is 5 divided by 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and close bracket, a multiplication sign, then make a bracket, then 1 minus, make another bracket, then sum of variance associated with the items is 4.88 divided by variance associated with the observed total score is 20.44. Make a 2 enclose of bracket, then make an enter. So we have a Cronbach alpha is 0.951526. What is this importance interpretation of this Cronbach alpha? Is we can see its value is greater than is equal to 0.9. So it's an excellent and high reliability. Calculate the Cronbach alpha. Hope you enjoy this and learn something from this video.